Hello, my name is Chris MacNeil. I'm a certified and experienced London walking tour guide. I've got over 5 years experience delivering well over 400 tours of London. These tend to be in the typical major neighbourhoods: Kensington, Westminster, City of London, South Bank and more. They're also smaller, more specified tours, such as quirky coffee shop locations or churches in the City of London, or markets like Portobello Road and Camden Market, or indeed along the canals of London. I have experience delivering largely to private groups, so that will be individuals who might be here on a layover, groups of friends who might be taking a cruise through the British Isles or Mediterranean, families, and even corporates. My previous life for 30 years was in the corporate market, so I understand very much the need for communities to get together, do a little bit of networking, as well as having some important sightseeing time and bonding time together. I work with agencies, I work with travel agencies, events companies, hotel concierges, and more. I would love to be able to have a conversation with you, maybe over Zoom or an email conversation, and discuss how I can help support your clients on their next visit to London, the greatest city in the world. Bye for now.